Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rent this beautiful island in Mexico for a whole week. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to download the Airbnb app, which you can find in the App Store or the Play Store, depending on the device that you are using. And when you open up Airbnb, there is a section that is called Islands, and when you tap on it, it's going to open up all the rentals that are available on the site, and this Mexico island is going to be the second one, and it is quite cheap. It is around $200 per night. And if you tap on it, here you can see some details and some beautiful pictures about the island. So if you are planning a vacation with your family or with your company for team building or anything like that, you can rent this whole island and you can have a huge party. Here you can read some details about the property, about the host, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.